feels nice and euphoric. What happens afterwards is another thing. But there's a moment where the country is hopeful. We felt like that during the time of AGM. We thought everything is changing. It's a new country. Yes, some things did change, but some didn't. But we have moved forward slowly the past 3 decades. But now is another time when everybody is feeling nice and high about the country. And it's potential, every industry, they feel nice somehow. With all the rust and grime and abuse and atrophy that has come about in our industry, there is a moment that I want to make use of that momentum to bring forth ideas that have been languishing in the closet for so many years. The digital revolution in cinema has been delayed by at least 15 years. I'm talking about international cinema, not just the Western interest. They worried the analog industry wanted to save their, they made so much out of it, but they didn't want to reinvest into new technology. They wanted to save archaic investment and continue with that. They delayed the digital revolution by at least 15 years. Much to my chagrin,